Unboxing Huawei Pocket 2 X Mage powered by Harmony OS. Bought this Huawei Pocket 2 from Shanghai, China. So let's start. So this is written in Chinese. So let's finish unboxing this Huawei Pocket 2 now. So it's written in Chinese. This Huawei Pocket 2 box. It has this for the SIM card, pin, next it has Huawei Supercharge, charger for the Huawei Pocket 2, and this is the plug. Type C to Type C. Type C, Type C. Oh, that's it in the box of Huawei Pocket 2. Let's open this Huawei Pocket 2 powered by Harmony OS. Oh, let's set this up. So let's English. Let's get started. Set is for Philippines. Agree. Data and privacy. Continue. No SIM. Skip. Activating device. Set it up later. Huawei ID. Log in. Maybe later. Media services. Continue. Agree. Continue. Huawei Assist. Set up voice wake up. Maybe later. Data import. Set as new device. Imported foldable with flexible screen. Please take note of the following. Do not remove the protective film. Number 2, do not press on the interior screen with pointed objects. Keep away from foreign objects. Don't press on the interior screen or camera. Slight creases and sounds are normal. Finish. Try it now. For Harmony OS, try it now. Wow. Nice one. Almost the same as my Huawei P60 Pro. The screen and the apps, Huawei apps, almost the same. So see, I think same setup. Later, same settings, same. Let's fold the phone. Huawei Pocket 2. So let's fold. It's like this. When it's folded, it's like this, and there's a camera below. I love it. I choose the white color. It says Huawei. The back, it says Huawei. Love it. So this Huawei Pocket 2 will be available in the Philippines soon. Just bought this from Huawei Shanghai. Happy viewing, and I will review this on my next video.